How to install Kinemaster in PC. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can install Kinemaster in PC. So in order to install Kinemaster into your PC, you have to first of all install an emulator. So for that, you can install any of it, but I recommend using a BlueStacks. After you're done downloading the BlueStack and creating an account, all that, now you have to open up your BlueStack and then go to your Play Store. Now for the first time, you need to log in into your Play Store with the Gmail. Then you get the home page of the Play Store itself. You need to follow the same installation process in the Play Store on an Android device. Now search for the Kinemaster app and click on the install button. So after the installation, open the Kinemaster app. Then for the first time, the Kinemaster may want you to access some if required and allow those access, and finally the Kinemaster will be opened. Now edit your project as your mobile phone editing interface. So that's basically how you can install Kinemaster in your PC. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.